Hi there, we have a right triangle and it's missing an angle. Well, it's actually missing another angle too, but the one they want us to find is this one. Since it's a right triangle, I'm going to use my right triangle trig if you need to review that. And a sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Let's get this set up. Well, from here, this is the angle. You got to figure out which side you're given. The hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. The hypotenuse in this problem, I don't know how long it is, and I don't need to know how long it is, so I'm going to ignore it. I do know the opposite side, which is 114. The opposite side is the one you can't touch, and the one that touches the angle is the adjacent side. So you need to use the trig ratio that has opposite and adjacent. That would be tangent. So to set this up, just right on paper, we would say the tangent of x degrees, which we don't know what it is opposite over adjacent. Now, that's the concept, but in order to find the answer for x, we're going to use the inverse function for tangent on the calculator. So then your next line that you would write for your work would be tangent inverse. That's what the -1 means. It's not an exponent. It just means the inverse function. It's just a notation for that. 114 divided by 37. I do not divide that out. I let the calculator do that work. So you grab your calculator, which yours is probably newer than mine, but it all works. You're looking for these inverse functions on the top of your tangent, cosine, and sine buttons when you are trying to find angles. So we're going to go for inverse tangent 114 divided by 37. And when you get your calculator result, we usually round these to the nearest degree, so I'm going to call x 72 degrees.